Hello out there. First, I'd like to welcome my 4 new subscribers, 3 whose names didn't show up, and forgive me if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Excuse me. Gunter Drace. Welcome and thank you. Well, today's going to be the second tobacco pick, and I just got off work not too long ago. I was hoping to have enough daylight left to do this video. Well, first with the housekeeping, I'm smoking one of the 2 picks. Yeah, it's going to be a double header. That's Dark Bird's Eye. Yeah, there's mine right there. Out of my 268 Donegal Rocky. A beautiful little Zulu. Now, I wanted to introduce someone to Gawith Hoggarth's blends. So, pick 2. The person I picked is going to have to do 2 videos. Well, if he wants to do them all in one video, that's fine with me. So, the first one is Dark Bird's Eye, of course. Dark Bird's Eye, which is no more than Virginia and Dark Fire, Kentucky. I've done this review on this one, and I love it. Yeah, you don't get a whole lot of tartness or sourness, and there's just a little bit of sweetness. Mainly, it's just good basic tobacco flavor and aroma. You know, punch in the nose pretty good. It's a shag cut. Now the second one, I picked one of the Lakeland blends. So I thought about it just for a little while. And the first one I picked the one I was first introduced to, by Gary of Old and Away. Still one of my all-time favorites. Bosun cut plug. And yes, I've done a review on that one. I'm one of those people who love Lakeland blends. That was my first. Now, the fellow I picked for this one, he might unsubscribe me after this. Because, as it's been said, and there might be a few people who are so-so, or they can take it or leave it. It's usually either you like or love it, or you despise it. There's not much in between with it. And with Gold Bosun cut plug, it's just Virginia. It's an aromatic. Lakelands, for most of you already know already, they're a different aromatic altogether. In Bosun cut plug, it's cloves, rose essence, and I think a couple other things. Oh, first time I smoked it, it didn't take long for me to get hooked on it. And it's still one of the meatiest, has one of the meatiest aromas of any tobacco. You know, not even Black Irish Twist smelt that meaty to me. And you'd think it would. Because that one tastes more like grilled meat. And the fella I'm picking for this tobacco pick is you, Chris, of Pipe Philosophy. I'll be looking forward to your thoughts on Dark Bird's Eye, and I hope If you don't like Lakelands after this, it wasn't too bad on your taste buds and your nose. All right, that's all I got for now. I'll be back with another video real soon. Thank y'all for dropping in.